You can see, my friends, this smartphone is locked, and I don't know what is the pin pattern password lock of this smartphone. If you have also a smartphone, locked a smartphone because of forgotten pin pattern password lock, so you have to watch this video properly till the end. Only then you will be also able to unlock your smartphone. Okay, so hey guys, welcome again in my new video. I can show you in this video how can I remove this smartphone in just only 2 minutes without any data loss and without any using software. So let's start this video. You can see that this is the locking display, and if you are want to unlock, then click the emergency call here firstly. After that, you have to open the engineer mode emergency call option only page, and you have to enter a code here, and the code is, this is the code *8080 and hash. The code, this code name is offline mode code, because of this this code works on close all your background running application. So after that, you have to call this code for 3 times. When we try to call it, a call failed message will come in your smartphone, so you have to ignore it, to click OK and repeat the same process for 3 times continuously, 2 and 3. The first step is completed now, so you have to clear this mobile screen. Okay, after that, I'm going to take an important step here, because of this step to unlock your mobile screen password. So watch this video properly on every step. And the Google FIP code is here, star hash 269 star 15177 and star 169 and hash. This is the updated Google FIP code, and you may now this code is provided by Google on every month. Because of this, this code work on mobile unlocking, and I want to tell you that this code is only for mobile unlocking method, so you have to take necessary action on this. So I am going to call this code for 7 times. When I try to call it again, a call failed message pop up on your mobile screen. So you have to click you have to click on the OK button here and repeat the same process for 7 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And after that, you can take a screenshot for this page, and you have to check your smartphone or unlock or not. So you have to click on home button here, and you can see that, my friends, your smartphone is completely unlocked, and there is no any photos, videos and data loss of your smartphone. And if your smartphone is not unlocked from this method, you can comment us by subscribing our YouTube channel. Our team will definitely reply to your comment in just only 5 minutes, so that you will be also able to unlock your smartphone right now. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.